What's the meaning of cordially? Cordially. Cordially.
Cordially. Cordially. Cordially is an adverb that describes an action or behavior that is warm, friendly, and sincere. It is often used in formal settings, such as in business or diplomatic communication, to convey politeness and respect. When someone acts cordially, they are making an effort to be kind and welcoming towards others, even if they may not necessarily feel that way. This can help to build trust and positive relationships, which can be valuable in both personal and professional contexts. Overall, acting cordially can lead to more positive interactions and outcomes in various situations.